Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the clock. Number 1. A clock is a timekeeping device. Number 2. Clocks come in various styles. Number 3. Clocks can be analog or digital. Number 4. Clocks can be decorative or functional. Number 5. Clocks help people manage their day. Number 6. Clocks may tick or be silent. Number 7. Clocks are used worldwide. Number 8. Some clocks have alarm functions. Number 9. Clocks have been used for centuries. Number 10. Clocks are an essential part of daily life. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.